Good day guys, welcome to Trendable channel. Trendable channel is a channel that teach people how to design church flyer, how to design flyer, party flyer, birthday flyer, mainly with your PixelLab, basically on PixelLab. So in this channel you will learn, if you're looking for where you will learn how to design flyer, church flyer, wedding, anything that has to do with flyer, mostly on PixelLab. So you've come to the right channel. So in today's tutorial we're working on how to blend background with your PixelLab. So I'll be teaching you guys like 3 different ways that you will use in blending background while using PixelLab. So now let's go. So I'll be working with just one image. So we're working with this image. Okay, let's use this image. I just love the concept. So let's have it. Now let me change it to white background or a different background. Okay, that one is so wow, blends. So let me change to something we can all see. So this is his background. So let's assume you were working on something like this for a client and you have to blend the image. What will you do as a beginner or as an advanced in the game? So this is what you do. First of all, I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys like 3 different ways of doing this. So let's start with the first one. Go to your draw. Now when you go to your draw, increase your pen size to the highest, your smoothness to the highest, and your blur radius to the highest. Now this color you're using now, look for this color. This is the color. So all you have to do is to look for this color. Now tap anywhere on the screen. Let me tap on the face of the girl so that you see. Now when you tap, now you're creating an effect that you use to blend your background. So this is the effect. All you need to do is to drag it. I see the effect. Let me change the color so that you see it clearly. So this is the effect. So all you need to do is to drop it at the sharp edge. Drop it at the sharp edge of your design. Just drop it at the sharp edge. Then let me change the color to the background color so that you see the blend. Are you seeing that we've just blended a background? Now right here, we didn't waste any time, we just went straight to the point. Now that's the first stage. Now let me save this wonderful artwork. Let me just save it. We've just blended a background. Are you seeing? Now let me show you guys another method on how this thing can be achieved depending on the concept you're using. Now go to your shapes, go to your gradients. I think this is a popular method that everybody knows. Tap on your plus sign. This is the first surface you will see. Now your whites, this other side of your layer, this first layer, made it to be transparent. You bring it out a little bit. Then this other part, bring it out a little bit and type pure gold. Now all you need to do is to drag it from this edge, then you place it on your design, on the image that you want to blend. Then the next thing you do, you change the color to the color of the background. Here we go. We've blended our image with our background. Now suppose you're working with an imported background, maybe you downloaded it from Pinterest or somewhere else, what will you do? How will you get it? Are you getting me? How will you blend the background? Now let me also show you that one. Now this is an imported background, a background that you imported. Let's say for instance you're working with a background that you imported, something like this. Please just don't pay attention to the noise, just please, sorry for the noise, apologies. So this is a background that I imported. Let me bring the image out. So how will I work with this? How will I blend my image if I'm working with a background like this? So first, what I need to do is to go to my draw as usual, increase my pencil size, my smoothness, my blur radius. Yeah, pick a particular color from the background. So I will just pick this other color, that's the yellow part of the background. Then I will tap anywhere on the background. I've gotten a yellow this thing, but the effect here is not yellow. So now I'll go to my texture, choose the background, then I'll crop the part that I need. That's this other part, that's the part I need. So now now look at it. Now I've import my background to my texture. All I need to do is either I enable it or I scale it properly. That's to scale it with my hand properly. Are you seeing? Then now all I will need to do is to just come here, drag. Are you seeing? Drag from this edge also. Then I will arrange it properly. Then cut it, also arrange. Are you seeing that we've achieved different method of blending background with our PixelLab? So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.